Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Hiccups. I want to tell you a story about my friend Blue Robot. Well, Blue Robot doesn't have feet. He's a robot. So he gets around on his movable tracks, and just like your shoes, they get worn out and he needs to get new ones. It was a couple days before he was going to get his new tracks, and Blue Robot was super excited. He had picked out super cool red ones with extra tracking grip. He told everyone in the neighborhood about them. Passing Busy and Jumper, Blue said, "Only 2 more days till I get my super cool red treads with extra tracking grip." Busy and Jumper yelled back, "Way to go, Blue! Can't wait to see them." It was all that Blue Robot could think about, and even had a hard time